Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Famite video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you what to do whenever your laptop or your computer fail to install Windows. You're trying to install Windows or operating system onto your PC, and it is actually saying that the hard drive cannot install, or the OS cannot be installed on the hard drive. That can be a simple scenario where the hard drive just need to be formatted. Now at times you cannot format it unless you remove it from your laptop. So as for this one, I would have already opened the laptop, so I'm just gonna power it down and remove the hard drive. So I would have already done the hard work in terms of removing or open the laptop itself. So this is the hard drive, so you need to get what is called an adapter. And the cable, of course. Then you need to get a next PC or a laptop. So powering up this PC. Okay, so I'm gonna format it. So just waiting on the laptop to pick up the hard drive. Right, so here we go guys. So this is the hard drive right there. Look at this E. So right click, then click on format. Start. Okay, so it should be formatting now. Right, so format is now complete. So now let's go back over to this PC. So I'm gonna remove the hard drive from the adapter. Let's insert. I'm gonna put back the hard drive back into the laptop right here. Right, so let's power it up, restart the process. Accept. So here you go guys, so you have a brand new format hard drive here. So I'm gonna click next. Right, so as you can see now, installing Windows in terms of files, it is now at 0%. In a moment then you should be seeing it start counting up. So getting files ready for installation. So definitely the formatting process will now take place. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Famitech is out of here.